Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and online. This prevents sync problems. Open Settings and go to Mail then Accounts, or simply launch the Google or Gmail app to create an account. Tap Add Account and choose Google, then tap Create Account. Once done, enter your name and birth date. This helps with age verification and recovery. Make sure to use a recovery email or phone number now so you can regain access if you forget the password. Now you select your Gmail address and a strong password. You should combine letters, numbers, and symbols so it's hard to guess. Enter a phone number for verification and two-step authentication. This boosts security and helps with account recovery. Once you receive the verification code, type it in to confirm. Then review Google's privacy and personalization settings and toggle what you want enabled. Make sure to read each option so you know how data and personal. Finish the setup by enabling sync for mail, contacts, and calendar and accounts so your data appears across apps. Sign in to Gmail and other Google apps to confirm everything syncs and notifications arrive. Once done, adjust account settings and add a recovery email if you skipped it earlier. If you hit problems, like verification not arriving, make sure your number is correct, restart the phone, and retry. If that fails, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular and attempt sign in again, as network hiccups often cause the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.